Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today for another 5-minute card. This time I'm using a stamp set from our new mini catalogue. This is the winter catalogue and in it has lots of great autumn and Halloween type features, but it also has all of our Christmas goodies. And on there is Santa's delivery, which I have fell in love with. It's really cute and really sweet. And today I'm going to be using it for my 5-minute card. So really quick today, I'm going to be using the signpost, I'm going to be using the penguin, and I'm going to use a sentiment of some sort. I think I'm going to use Santa Claus is coming to town. I might even use Merry Christmas or the ho ho ho. I don't know. Let's see where we go. Let's see where we go. But let me get my signpost out first. So there's my little penguin. There is my signpost. There's the Santa Claus coming to town. There's Merry Christmas, and there's ho ho ho. Just in case, you know, you never know what I might want to use. And let's get all of these onto blocks now. So signpost, penguin, and ho ho ho. Santa Claus is coming to town, and Merry Christmas. Right, so I'm going to start off with a piece of basic white cardstock that is 10.5 centimetres by 14.8 centimetres, and I'm going to be using my Memento ink pad for this because I am going to be using my blends. Shock, shock, horror, horror, shock. So first of all, I'm going to be using the little signpost, and I'm going to put the signpost sort of towards the middle of the card, about there. And next to the signpost, I'm going to put my penguin, who is obviously excited. And the reason that my penguin is really excited is because my signpost is going to tell him that Santa Claus is coming to town. Just like that. And I'm going to have the ho ho ho, but I'm going to do that in a different colour. So I think I'm going to do that in grey granite. Yeah, let's go grey granite. So grey granite. Ho ho ho. Yeah. I'll decide about the Merry Christmas once I've coloured, because I'm not exactly sure how that's going to come about or how it's going to look or anything else. So let me get my blends out first of all. For the board, I'm going to be using SU 500 and SU 600. So let's put the 500 on first, and I'm just going to put that all the way across there, but I'm actually going to put it on the side as well. This is a really cute set. Isn't this a really cute set? I love it. I'm actually looking at this. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it on this cardstock or whether I'm going to cut it out and put it on top of paper. Oh, the options are never ending here, aren't they? Right. There's my signpost and my penguin. I'm going to do him in dark smoky slate. Just the bits that should be dark. And his feetsies are going to be done in dark pumpkin pie. Oh yes, and his beak, let's not forget his beak. And then what I'm going to do is I have got the very light crumb cake, and I'm going to just put that along the edge of his white bit so that he doesn't look as white, because you know he's not perfect white. He's been walking around the Arctic, hasn't he? So there we go. Yeah, I am going to cut it out actually. How's my time doing? I did mutter at the start, didn't I? What did I do? About a minute and a bit at the start, I'm going to say. So I'm going to cut that down like that, and I'm going to cut it down on this side as well. Santa Claus is coming to town, and then I'm going to put it onto a card base that is, what colour shall I use? Let me just grab my magic card bases from over here. I'm gonna go Granny Apple Green. That's well out there, isn't it? Not something I expected to be using. And I am going to use my Merry Christmas, so Granny Apple Green ink pad, Merry Christmas, and I'm going to tone on tone stamp Merry Christmas over this base. It's not straight, I'm going in all different directions because I haven't got time to mess around with going straight. Let's just get that on there. Merry Christmas. Let's stick that down. In the centre, let me grab my card piece. I think I'm going to be using my enamel effects. I use these so much now. I'm so happy we have them. You know, I had some by a different company, and they weren't Stampin' Up, so I couldn't use them on my videos. So I wanted Stampin' Up for ages to actually do enamel effects, and I'm so glad they have. So here we go. I'm going to use the black one, and I'm just going to pop a few dots in that corner and a few up in this corner. Well, there we go, my 5-minute card featuring the Santa's Delivery photopolymer stamp set. This is available on my store, slimandstylish.stampinup.net, as is everything I have used today. Do head over there and have a look at all the goodies that are there and any discounts or special offers that are currently showing. And yeah, if you've liked the video, please do like, comment, and I will see you all again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye everybody. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.